Hi guys, here's another video. This one's just to show you the results of poor maintenance to a condenser dryer. Here's a condenser dryer here, and at the bottom, where it's most likely forgot about, there's a condenser inside here which needs to be cleaned at least once a month. It gets full of lint and fluff and dust, and sometimes change and buttons will end up inside this section here. So it needs to be cleaned monthly at least. So let me just show you inside the housing. This is a poorly maintained machine. You see all the lint, all the grey lint inside here, which is going up towards the fan, which will take it up towards the heating element, where you'll smell burning or worse. So here you can see I've cleaned off all the lint, or most of it. I'm just going to get inside this sump here. There's a cover with 2 screws, difficult to get to, and this is pull the unit apart. So I'm just going to put this cover in a bucket of bleach, just give it a soak, give it a clean. And if we go back to this sump here, we see all the lint and dirt inside. Yellow arrow points towards the reservoir, and I'll just show you that. This is the reservoir here. You just remove this pressure switch cover, and that's the reservoir there. Water builds up, and when it gets too high, the pressure switch puts the light on, and that goes back to the sump. The arrow just shows you goes back to the sump. So what I'm going to do is pour some bleach inside the reservoir and some boiling hot water just to break down the dirt, which you'll see. If we go back to the sump here, you'll see it's a very confined space. I've got my camera in there. That's all the dirt. I'm just going to put a bit more water in there. You got the fins there, which separates all the lint so it doesn't get stuck in the water tank. So what I'm going to do is just put a bit of cloth and a bit of screwdriver and try and mop most of this lint and dirt up. You can see I can't actually show you how to do it because of the confined space, but I'll just show you as I progress along. You see I've got it nearly fully clean there and dried out. And it's relatively dry there. That's pretty much complete. It's nice and clean now, or clear of all the lint that was blocking it. And to show you the inside, I've cleaned the walls as well. Inside the condenser housing, you can see a lot cleaner. Got rid of all that grey lint. So it's just a matter of putting this sump cover back on, or drain cover. Like it's difficult to film because it's just about getting the one hand in, never mind the camera, and then it's just held on by 2 screws, 2 retaining screws, which I've put back in. And I'll just show you how far I've got. So thus far, it's nice and clean inside here. Now all the grey lint is gone, or most of it. Bit difficult getting the back there. And I'm just going to put this sump cover / pressure switch housing back over, and that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.